Hello, welcome to Plain Sourcing. This is Claire. In today's video, we are going to talk about the shipment from China to Amazon warehouse. There are some frequently asked questions we get about the shipment, like how long time it takes from China to Amazon warehouse, where is my packaging now, and what website to use to keep a track on my shipment. Well, we all know that the shipment is one of the most important parts for Amazon sellers. I will tell the truth and the related details. You won't miss it. Let's go ahead. Now, there are lots of bad information out there. People post up on Facebook or somewhere like ocean shipments 25 days, air shipment 5 days. Is that correct? And do you really trust your Chinese suppliers or shipping agent? Let's keep watching. First, let's talk about Air Express. This is one of the fastest way to ship out the goods and also the most expensive one. It normally takes about 5 to 7 days from China to Amazon warehouse. International express delivery includes FedEx, DHL, UPS, and there are also two ways to send the goods from China to Amazon warehouse. One way is that you have your own DHL or FedEx DHL account. Then you ask your China supplier to send the goods from China to Amazon warehouse, and you pay the freight fee. Normally it's paid by the third party. And the other way, I normally will suggest my customer to use this way. Pay attention here, that will help you save money in less time. You can also ask your channel supplier to help you in this way. That is, use Channel International Express agency account to send all your goods. You know that these agencies every day have a lot of person to send out. For sure, they have much cheaper price than using your own account. And the time is almost same. For tracking, you only need to open your Express company official website and input your Express tracker ID number. Then you can easily get your cargo tracker records. Let me show one here. See, you can see every day's update and detail here. The second way is air freight. We also learn to ship out the goods by air. It normally takes about 10 to 15 days from China to Amazon warehouse. Air freight from the airport to airport typically is 2 to 5 days. But you also need to concern about the time from your China supply to shipping agent warehouse and from the shipping agent warehouse to the airport. And the time clearing custom and from the destination airport to Amazon warehouse. As a general rule, you can say here, it typically takes about 10 to 15 days from China to Amazon warehouse to ship out the goods by air. About the tracking, there are quite a few you could use, but I suggest 17 Tracklet, which is a pretty handy portal to track packages from China, and it is translated in 33 languages. Here I put one track number of my custom products from China to UK Amazon warehouse. UPS number. Here I have one thing you need to pay attention. Goods shipped out by air, you will only have the updated information after goods arrived at the destination airport and clearing customer. You see here, August 12th, the shipping agent received the goods and created a label, and August 21st, UPS received the goods and made the original scan. So, my customer here is after 9 days, you can see the updated information. That's why I put the airport to airport and the clearing custom together. The third way is ocean shipping. We also said that the goods shipped out by sea from China to Amazon warehouse. It normally takes about 14 to 15 days. But now also have the fast night will take about 10 days less. The whole progress is like this. Your channel supply sends the goods from the factory to the shipping agent's warehouse. Then the shipping agent will collect the goods from different suppliers, then will put the goods all in the same container. Then they will send the goods to the seaport. But if your goods is in a full container, then your supplier will only send the goods from the factory to the seaport directly. It takes certain amount of the time, and sometimes you need to wait for the scheduled booking. Once the goods arrive at the destination port, it will cost days for the unloading and the clean custom, and also some days for the final delivery. We can see the details here. Most people talk about shipment just it's about the seaport to seaport. That is not true. You need to consider about the front end, but also the back end. Here is a general rule. Every shipment has the same progress. And also there are some special situations, like the bad weather, the typhoon day, or the holiday comes, or customers inspections. For sure, your goods will be delayed and you need a longer shipping time. The tracking website is send the goods shipped out by air. Send the goods shipped out by air. You will only have the updated information of the goods arrived at the destination port and clean custom. Here, September 24, the shipping agent received the goods and create a label. And November 2, UPS received the goods and make the original scan. They'll have 37 days which you will not have any updated information on the tracking website. Here have one tips, as this is quite a long time. For sure you will feel stressed about your products. Where is your packaging now? So you need to at least to know 3 dates about your shipment. That when goods leave China port, that when the goods arrive at the destination port, and that when the goods clean custom. If your goods is less than 1 container, then you need to check with your channel supply or the shipping agent. They should always give you the result. We all know that Amazon stock arrangement is very important. So if you understand the shipping time, the lead times, and how this works, you will be able to arrange the purchasing schedule. Make sure that you never have the situation that the goods are out of stock. Without a doubt, you'll do it a professional and reliable partner. Claire from Prince Sourcing will provide great help for your Amazon business. From sourcing to shipping include quality control. If you have any question about today's videos, please leave your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you soon.